buildings generate 40% of global carbon emissions. 70% of that comes from energy use. So I feel very motivated to do something that can help existing buildings reduce their carbon impact now. When you look at K through 12 schools, energy is their second largest cost after labor. They spend more on energy than computers and textbooks combined. An elementary school might have 30 heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units. A middle school or a high school could have over 100 in some cases. When these all turn on at once in the morning, you get this huge spike of electricity, and that ends up costing those schools a lot in terms of demand charges. They have a lot of square footage to heat and cool, but they have very small maintenance and operation budgets. We've created technology that enables clean, all-electric, self-driving buildings. Our technology takes a quick and dirty physical model of a building and its thermal properties, how quickly it heats up or cools down, how heat is transferred through walls and windows. And with that understanding, it does something very unique. It can ensure that every zone or every room in a building is optimally comfortable at about 30% less energy cost than the alternatives. Our technology is the engineer. It learns those physical properties every 1 minute. It's looking at the energy consumption and the indoor air temperature in zones, and it's making tiny adjustments in every zone in the building all day long. The underlying technology that differentiates us is a machine learning algorithm that both generates the physics-based model and then uses that model to take control actions within a certain set of constraints. And so the constraints that we give it are, you need to keep this room optimally comfortable. That's usually defined by the customer, but let's keep this room between 70 and 74 degrees. And as long as you can guarantee that comfort, go ahead and figure out however else you're going to maximally reduce peak demand or energy cost. And it can respond to a real-time price. Our technology takes something that feels really hard to a lot of building operators, something that's complex, expensive, and very frustrating, which is new building performance laws, fewer people, less money, and the existing technologies are just, they're so expensive and they're so complicated to operate. This is a hands-off solution. It's low cost, it's easy to install, it's easy to interface with and understand, and it just does the thing. It saves time, money, and hassle. My name's Tanya Barham. I'm the CEO of Community Energy Labs.